those spaces into a beautiful urban green spaces, which will de-stress the urban population living in Panaji and other cities in the Goa. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your experience sharing, and I'm sure your experience will certainly lead to identifying areas and scientifically manage and brought under the urban forestry. Before we get into our discussion mode, may I now request Secretary Urban Development, Sri Goel sir, to say a few words.
Respected Minister, sir, Mayor CCP,
in the middle of the road, on the median of the road, and they have made specific models of the roadside plantation. Roadside plantations are raised on the side of the roads. So now get relaxed and stress free. That they have proved on some scientific studies also. And they have made such the selection of such herb, shrub and tree in such a way that median itself acts as a impediment at the highways, near the flyovers, on the flyovers, on the what it is called the piers of the flyovers. They have created beautiful vertical gardens they have created. So these gardens here also flyovers are there. So even the urban local bodies can create such vertical gardens here also in Goa. So another thing they have done inside the Hyderabad city, there are certain legal, previously the municipal waste used to be dumped. So now it is no more being dumped. So the legacy dump sites now have been converted into beautiful urban forest in the Hyderabad city. And one to quarry sites where from earlier these stones were being mined. These quarry sites would be urban green space. So if we, from the urban development department, where the greening can be done, then we can talk with experts.
Really appreciate Honorable Minister, sir, for such a relevant topic on which this discussion has been held. Quality of underground water, the temperatures of the city, the capacity of the nature to deal with disasters like floods, etc. It has been compromised. So we have to make a balance.
मीटिंग झाली सगळे गोयचे सगळे चेअरपर्सन्स आणि CCPचे मेयर मिस्टर रोहित मुनसरात तेंचेकडे आयज चर्चा आमी केल्या. पूर्णपणे मीटिंग विथ ऑल द CEOs आमी मीटिंग घेतल्या आणि यू कॅन कम यंग मॅन कम. सो बेसिकली यार सगळे सो बेसिकली आम्ही सगळे चेअरपर्सन कॉन्फिडन्सान घेऊन आणि देशाचे प्रधानमंत्रीचे एक विजन टू क्रिएट ग्रीन लंग्स विदीन अर्बन एरियाज आणि अर्बन सिटीचे भितर आम्ही कशें करूं शकता म्हणजे तेंचे सजेशन घेऊन त्यांची जी कल्पना आहा त्या माध्यमांतल्यान ते फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. कारण हे ग्रीन हब हे बेश्टे ग्रीन हब न्हू, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट इंटिग्रेट करून फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री त्याच बरोबर आमचे एक्सपर्ट आमचे PCCF आहा प्लस आमचे सुजीत कुमार डोंगरे आहा प्लस आमची पुराय टीम आणि आमी कशें फुडें व्हरू शकता. एक टीम प्रत्येक म्युनिसिपॅलिटीन आमी करतले अंडर द चेअरपर्सन. आयज आमचे CCPचे मेयर आहा तेंचे बी एडवायस घेवन तेंचे विचारधारा कितें आहा आनी आमी पूर्णपणे पाठिंबो दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. ग्रीन लंग थियरी आनी गोवा एक आदर्श राज्य जावंक जाय आनी हें कशें करपाक जाय. जी सुद्दां कडेन जे कितें पयशाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी तांकां बॅकअप करूं शकता, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटचे बॅकअप करूं शकता आनी जे तेंच्या मनान आहा तेंच्या बद्दल तेंचो शहर तेंची एरिया तेंचे मनान जे कितें विचारा ते कशें फुडें व्हरपाक आमी फेसिलिटेटर म्हणून आयज सरकार काम करतले. हो सरकार तेंचो सरकार आहा. सरकाराचो कसो उपयोग करून घेवंक जाय. आमी कन्सेप्ट तेंचे फुडें दवरूं शकता. लास्ट कन्सेप्ट इम्प्लिमेंट फुडें कशें व्हरपाक जाय तेंचे माध्यमांतल्यान फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी ह्याच तरेन अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट आनी सगळे CEOs आनी चेअरपर्सन एवरी ऑल्टरनेट मंथ आनी एवरी मंथ एक दोन वरां तरी आमी बसपाक जाय म्हणजे तेंचे सगळे इश्यू टायम टू टायम आमी ते रिजॉल्व करूं शकता आनी ह्या तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा.